Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some King Cole yarn. This is big value tweed and it's a super chunky, and it's got, you'll notice, it's got these little naps or naps in it, little bundles of other colour, and that gives it some texture as well, and it is really super soft. It comes in 12 different colourways. It is super chunky, super delightful, and I'm going to show you this. I've got one ball of each, so I'm going to pop that just down there, and let's have a look at these. Oh wow, oh those so pretty colours, they're very autumn, and you can see those little splashes of colour in that. Now this is Big Value Tweed by King Cole, and it is super chunky. I'll tell you something, it's super soft. It's really soft, this one. Now, there is other tweed on King Cole's website that you can get from your local retailer. And you can go online and you can find King Cole yarn as well. There's lots of retailers that do it. But if you want to see what's up and coming in the future for King Cole, if you pop on their website, you can't buy from there because they supply the retailers with the yarn, but you can see all the stuff that they've got. Then you can go to the retailer and ask them, do you have this and do you have that? Now each ball is 100 grams. That is 90 yards or 81 metres. Now remember, in a 100 gram ball, the thicker it is, the less you get because it's a little heavier. And that one is a super chunky. It tells you to use a UK 10mm hook. That's a US 15. It's a big hook. It's 100% premium acrylic, made by King Cole. And this one is, oh, they're all named after lochs in the UK. So this one is Loch Oich, O-I-C-H. And the shade number for this one is 6170. Now, if you're buying quite a few, if you're in a shop, make sure that the die lot number are all the same. Look at this, is a beautiful navy, and all those beautiful specks of colour. It's going to give it real texture, and it is super soft. That's going to be really warm. That is so nice. So that is that one. I'll pop that down there. I'll go a little faster because we've got 12. Now we've got a lighter one here. This one is called Loch Lomond. The shade number is 6161, and that is Loch Lomond for that tweed, the super chunky size 10 crochet hook, or a 15 if you're in the USA. And it's the same size for a knitting needle if you're going to knit with this. Now this one is Loch Tay, and the number is 612, and the number is 6162. I nearly got that number wrong there. That's really pretty. That's like a very light sort of pink, a dusty pink, that one. Pop that aside. The next one is Loch Marie. Now that one is Loch Marie, and the number is 6166 for that one. There's a lot of light speckles in this one. There's a lot of light ones in it. That would make a super hat and scarf, or fingerless gloves for the winter, or a sweater. And there are patterns for this, but I didn't get any this time. I didn't get any patterns. And I'm tending now not to take so many of the patterns because I don't knit a lot. I do pass them on. I mean, I do know a lot of elderly ladies that still knit. Now this one is a beautiful, like I would say burnt orange. Now this one is Loch Rusky. Loch Rusky. The shade number is 6165 for that one. Look at all those little napes in there, all these little pieces. Now, some of them do come out. Don't worry about those. But it gives it some really nice texture. And this is really soft yarn. It really is. It's got a really beautiful tweed look. Now the next one, we'll go with this one. This is Loch Shiel. Loch Shiel, and the number is 6171 for that one. Look at those bright colours. They really stand out with this sort of charcoal black. Look at that, it's beautiful. Do you know, they make beautiful blankets. I've got one of each, and I think what I might do is, I might find a nice stitch, and what I'll do is, I'll do a blanket, and I'll just do one ball, and then I'll move to the next ball, then the next ball, then the next ball. I'll put it into a nice rainbow colour. Not quite rainbow, what's it called? Like a colour wheel, when you do like a colour wheel, because there's shades of grey, there's shades of blue, there's shades of everything. Now this one is Loch Tula. Loch Tula. And the number is 6160. Look at the colours in that one. That is beautiful. Do you know, that reminds me of those rainbow drop sweets. If you're in the UK, do you remember those little soft, squidgy, tiny little sweets? And you put a big handful and you pop them all in your mouth, and they were called rainbow drops. That's what that's like. That's what it reminds me of. That's so pretty. But if you started a blanket, and you could go like this with that one, then that one, then this one. If you could just sort of follow it around. If you've got odd balls, you can make things with an odd ball. Now this one, this is a beautiful forest green. Look at that. That is beautiful. I like the way they've actually got the name in the colour, and it sort of shows you what it looks like when it's knitted. It's a great little design to do that. It actually shows you what they look like when it's worked up. If we look at this one, it just kind of shows you what it's like. It isn't like a little knitted stitch there though. But even at that, so this one is Loch Rannoch. I'm really good at saying these words because I'm Scottish. I hope Loch Rannoch is in Scotland. I don't know them all. This shade number for this one is 6167. Look at that. That's beautiful. If you're looking, it's near coming up. It's the end of October, and this will be out in your retailers. So get onto Wool Warehouse, Love Crafts. There's lots, if you Google it, there's lots and lots online. If you go onto King Cole's website, there is one where it'll say a retailer near me. So if you click on it and you put your postcode in, it'll tell you that who in a shop will sell this that's closest to where you live. And if not, there is lots and lots online that do yarn. Now this next one is Loch Ard. Is it Ard? Loch Ard. Look at that one. That is so pretty. And remember, this is super chunky. It's soft. Oh, it smells delicious. Smells like new woolen socks, even though this is an acrylic. Oh, I love brand new socks. Now this one is 6163 for this one. And this is Loch Ard. And that's the way that one sort of either knits up. That's pretty. I like the way that they've got a lot of these little nap colours, these little napes, little pieces of coloured yarn in there that really stand out. This is a brighter red, this one. This one is Loch Morlich. Loch Morlich. Get that into focus there. The number for this one is 6164. That's beautiful. So this one, oh, look at that. That is so pretty. Look at that one done. It's so pretty, that one. It's nice and bright. And it's thick. And it's soft. This is Loch Mora. Loch Mora. And the number for this one is 6169. Now you can go through the video and write down the ones that you like and check out on the retailers. Now I will say the last one I did with the firefly, the video was brilliant. They got lots and lots of views, and you know that firefly got sold out. It got sold out within, I think, 2, maybe 3 days, not even that. So a lot of suppliers are getting it back in. I managed to get more. I'll show you in the next video what I've been working on with the firefly. Now this one is Loch Katrine. This is Loch Katrine 6168. That's a beautiful shade of blue. Now there is lots of colours in here. A lot of people will say, what can I use for men? Do you know, a lot of the things you see, it's children and ladies. But look at these colours for using for men. I'll pop that one in. Look at these. You can use any colours you like for men anyway. But even look at those together. So you can just experiment. I'm going to make a big blanket with all the single balls of this that I've got. I'll see what I can do with it. Even just a bobble blanket would be really nice, isn't it? Or even just a double crochet. It's a single crochet if you're in the USA. That would be nice as well. Now it tells you to use a size 10 hook. That's a 15 if you're in the USA. So thank you all very much for watching. And I really appreciate everybody who watches. Now please, if you can, click on that subscribe button. It's free to subscribe as well. So all these people that subscribe, give the video a thumbs up as well if you like it. And at the end of the video, I do have a Facebook, which is Alison Russell's Crochet. And I've got a Facebook group where you can come in and show what you're making. It is not a selling group. It's not coming in and selling this, that and the next thing. It's just come along and show us what you're crocheting. Pop along to that, and that Facebook group is Alison Russell's Crochet Channel, just the same as the YouTube. And on Instagram it's the same, Alison Russell's Crochet Channel. So I've kept it all with the same name. So if you want to come and even just drop a little line and say hello, then either pop on Instagram, and you've got my Facebook page, and I've got that Facebook group, the crochet group. If you do knitting, you can join as well. And my friend Elizabeth Fox, Liz, her name is. Sure, if you get stuck, if you're a beginner, between the two of us, we can really help. Have a look online at the King Cole yarn, and this one is absolutely beautiful, and it is really soft. So once again, thank you very much for watching. Until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.